doing well. It's me again, Mole Ayadisa, on another episode of African Drum Tutorial. And on this episode, we'll be teaching you how to play the Dùndún drum. So, what will you be learning? You'll be learning still the basic techniques, which are striking, which I think by now we should already know, the jamming that I introduced to you in the last episode, and squeezing. How does those three episodes work together to produce a sound on Ìyá'lù or Saworo? So they call this Ìyá'lù or Saworo-ide. So if you really want to know more about it, watch previous episodes where we did the introduction of all the drums. So alright, like we did when we were introducing you to Adamo. So we still go back to the same technique, striking. So you have your upper with you, place your drum the right way, then maintain a good stand, then strike, 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 strike. Now, we need to add here, when you are working with Ìyá'lù, it's more of squeezing and jamming. It's more of squeezing and jamming. So now, the Do-Re-Mi that we got on Apala, using our hand the other time in the last episode, now we'll still do the same Do-Re-Mi, but using squeezing. So watch me. So it's more of squeezing with Ìyá'lù and jamming. So I'll play I'll play a particular rhythm now, then I'll add the jamming so that you can know what exactly it is that we're talking about. So that's just the beauty of Ìyá'lù. Aside the charms attached to the two ends, that gives you extra sound when you are playing it. The jamming also adds to the melody that is coming out from the Ìyá'lù. And apart from that, there's one thing they always say, the Yorubas always say, that Ìyá'lù. How do I interpret that? They say, the leg of a mother drummer is not always balanced on the floor. And why do they say that? It's because when you are playing your Ìyá'lù, a part of your leg, mostly the left leg, is supposed to be slightly tilted up, say, like mine now. So when it is tilted up, then you use that tilted part to support your drum here. So your drum is actually sitting on this part. Your drum is sitting on a part of your thigh, like your waist and your thigh. So that's where your drum is sitting, your Ìyá'lù is sitting. That's one of the reasons they say So if you want to really get a good sound from your Ìyá'lù, your posture is supposed to be this way, is expected to be this way. Then from that, you can now do your jamming. Then it will make your jamming easier. The tilted part of you will make your jamming easier. Then you're squeezing too. So now, we say it is talking drum. And what it does mostly is talking. Aside providing rhythms for people to dance, it does a lot of talking. So I'll give you a few words now, and I'll give you the interpretation. Then I'll expect you to do same on your Ìyá'lù. Having done that, don't forget to upload the videos, tag me, mention me for any form of comment, and you are double sure that I will respond. And if you have other additions, corrections, there are some other things you want to tell me about, feel free to hit me through the contacts on your screen, and I'll surely get back to you. Thank you. So now, to the words. All right. Let's start from here. I'll play it again. So that simply means kó máa dúpẹ́, kó máa dúpẹ́, ẹni ọ̀tá pa, tọ́lọ́run ò pa kó mọ̀ dúpẹ́. It means just give thanks to God. Give thanks to God. If your enemies have done all they could to kill you, but then you are not killed by God, then just give thanks to God. That is it. Okay, so I'll give you the second one now, and then you are supplying the third. Yes, you are supplying the third. Okay, so. I'll play it again. Okay, so that is orí ẹni kó má fìyà jẹ ni, àtàrí ẹni kó má fìyà jẹ ni, mo dúpẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún, mo dúpẹ́. Interpretation: your creature should not make you to be unfortunate. I give thanks. God did not make me to cry. I give thanks. That's all. So now the third one, I want you to go and do that on your own. Supply yours, give the interpretation, and you will surely get a comment or a response back from me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.